You will love the features of this 2010 Honda Odyssey. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Look forward to even the most ordinary outings when you drive this sleek, comfortable Odyssey. Its smart tech keeps you safe and connected, while its thoughtful interior features assure a relaxing, peaceful passenger experience. It's so powerful and nimble that you may forget you're driving a minivan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.